Buy-sell indicators, we all love them, right? They tell us when to buy, when to sell, but here's the catch. Most of them are riddled with false signals, but not today. In this video, I'll show you a powerful buy-sell indicator that's impressive on its own. And when combined with one of the best trend indicators I've ever discovered, it becomes a super profitable trading strategy. Ready to take your trading to the next level? Let's dive in. First, go to TradingView. Once you're in, load any trading asset you like. For this video, I'll use gold on the 5-minute time frame. Second, add the range filter indicator. Click on Indicators, search for Range Filter Buy and Sell, and select the one. The range filter smooths out price noise, acting like a noise-canceling tool for your chart. It identifies meaningful price movements based on a customizable range. White line, bullish trends with white candles. Blue line, bearish trends with blue candles. High-low targets, perfect for setting trailing stop-loss levels. Adjust the settings to suit your trading style. In the Input tab, keep the length at 100 for a balanced view. Modify the range as needed. Higher values widen the range, while lower values make it more sensitive to price changes. Use the Style tab to turn off unnecessary visuals like the range filter and target lines. Leaving only the buy-sell labels. Next, let's enhance this strategy with another tool. Go to the Indicators tab, search for Volumetric Variable Index Dynamic Average, and select the version by Big Beluga. Adjust the settings. Set the VIDIA length to 34. Customize the visuals to make the trend ribbon easy to read. What makes VIDIA special? It combines trend direction with volume analysis, ensuring you are trading only strong trends. Think of it as your confirmation tool to weed out false signals. 1. A buy signal from the range filter. 2. The VIDIA trend ribbon is green, indicating a bullish market. Set your stop loss below the recent swing low and aim for a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio. 1. A sell signal from the range filter. 2. The VIDIA trend ribbon is red, signaling a bearish market. Set your stop loss above the recent swing high, again targeting 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. Let's see this strategy in action. I'll demonstrate two trades, one long and one short, breaking down why they met the conditions and how they performed. That's the power of combining the range filter with VIDIA and delta volume analysis. This strategy filters out false signals and aligns your trades with strong trends. Remember, no strategy is perfect, but with consistent practice and discipline, you can achieve amazing results. If you found value in this video, hit the like button. Got questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments below. And if you're not already part of our growing trading community, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Happy trading and see you next time!